Celebrating your unique moments. Understanding on your special day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we have a special topic that's all about celebrating those moments that make life truly memorable. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, on your special day. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video will shed light on how to use this warm, celebratory phrase in various contexts. So, let's get started. On your special day is a phrase that's rich in warmth and personal significance. It's commonly used to refer to a day that is particularly important or meaningful to someone, often involving a celebration or a significant milestone. This could be a birthday, wedding, graduation, or any other event that holds personal value. The word special underscores the unique and significant nature of the day, while your personalizes the message, making it directly relevant to the individual being addressed. This phrase finds its place in both spoken and written English, weaving seamlessly into greetings, congratulatory messages, cards, and even speeches. Here are some examples to illustrate its versatility. Birthdays, wishing you all the happiness on your special day. Weddings, may love and joy fill your hearts on your special day and always. Graduations, congratulations on your special day. Your hard work has truly paid off. Personal achievements. On your special day, we celebrate not just the achievement, but the journey you've embarked on to get here. The key is to use it as a heartfelt expression of recognition and celebration of someone's significant moment. While on your special day is widely understood and used in English-speaking cultures, it's also interesting to note how the essence of this phrase transcends language barriers, with equivalent expressions found in many cultures around the world. This highlights the universal human desire to acknowledge and celebrate personal milestones and achievements. Discussing the cultural variations can deepen our appreciation for the phrase and its global relevance. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase, on your special day. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its meaning and usage but also inspired you to celebrate the special moments in your life and the lives of those around you. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connecting with others. Until next time, keep learning and celebrating the beauty of English. Goodbye, and take care.